Hello everyone, how are you today? And this is your teacher Nana. I'm here with you for the brain training program and this is day 8. Welcome everyone to Swiflearn. Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here we are providing 100% live and interactive classes and you can find a lot of academic and non-academic interesting topics from here. So please book your trials and join with us today itself. Then you can explore the art of learning. So everyone get ready for your activities today and have a lot of fun throughout all the activities. And this is your first one. So this is the memory testers. You have only 50 seconds to do all this activity. Either you can write or remember. It is up to you. So the question number 1. What did you eat for the breakfast? And second one, where were you on your last birthday yesterday afternoon? And third question, what is your mother's favorite food recipe? And fourth one, how did you celebrate your last birthday? And how did you celebrate your last Christmas? And the next question is, what color dress your mom wore on her last birthday? And the final question, which movie you saw last time with your family? So your time starts now. Go ahead. So let's remember the answers for all these questions, which is actually helping to improve your memory and your social skills. So you will be aware of the things which is related to your family members and your friends and the circle. So just go ahead. Let's find all the answers. Try to remember as quick as possible. Go ahead everyone. Find all the answers for all the questions. And your time is up. So good job everyone. If you could do this activity, try to do this activity in different speed. Okay, good job there. So you did an amazing job. Here, let's look at the question. You can see 2 flowers. It looks like flowers and the question is, which middle circle has the largest diameter? For this one or this one, which has the largest diameter? What do you think? It is up to you. You can decide which one. Okay, I hope you got the answer in your mind and let's check the answer. So the answer is, if the 2 circles of the same diameter are surrounded by any larger and smaller circles, they appear to be different in size. This deception was discovered by the German psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus, and the perception of smaller or larger objects affect the perception of size. But the answer is both like middle circles have the same diameter. Both of them having a same diameter, but it's just the optical illusion or the perception which looks like different. So can you please give a real life example for this illusion? You can find it. Please give me any real life example. So I can give you one. Imagine that you are going to a restaurant. So the waiter serves food in a larger and smaller plates. But the quantity of the food is same. But if it is in a smaller plate, the quantity which looks like more than in a bigger plate, right? So that is a real life example. Please observe such examples in the coming days. Okay, good job there. So this is the Arithmetic-Aptitude test. So checking your aptitude and your number skills. And here you have only 3 minutes. You can do all the activities. Try to use a pen and paper. And let's start the activity in a count of 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's find the answers. 5 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to what? And 16 minus 9 is equal to 230 plus 90 plus 5 is equal to 7 minus 9 minus 0 is equal to 8 plus 90 plus 56 is equal to 9 plus 5 plus 30 is equal to 67 minus 68 minus 6 is equal to, and these are the things you have to find it. Please try to do that. And for this activity, don't worry if you can't do this activity within 3 minutes. So what you can do is just do this activity and time yourself. And for the second time, again time yourself. And do this activity for one more time and time yourself. and check the timings. Okay, I'm sure that the first time will be like more longer than the last time, because the practice makes everyone perfect. Good job there if you got the answer. And for this second question is like, which of the following gives the answer 510? Is it option A, option B, or option C? What do you think? I hope you got the answer. Let's check all the answers. So 5 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 14. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 230 plus 90 plus 5 is equal to 325. 7 minus 9 minus 0 is equal to 2. 8 minus 90 is equal to minus 82. 9 plus 5 plus 30 is equal to 44. 67 minus 68 minus 6 is equal to minus 7. Good job if you could do this one. Very good job there. Or keep practicing, you will be able to do this one. And which of the following gives the answer 510? So the answer is option C. 40 times 10 plus 55 plus 55 makes 510. Very good job and keep practicing. And here I can give you a tip, the mathematic tip of the day. If you want to multiply any numbers, okay, any numbers in your mind by 9, for instance 170. If you want to multiply the 170 with the 9, what you can do? Here is an easy tip. First, you can multiply 170 with 10. So 170 times 10 and the answer will be 1700. So subtract 170 from this 1700. So that will be the same answer which you want to get, like 170 times 9. Here 170 times 9 is equal to 1530. So by using the easiest way, 170 times 10 is equal to 1700 minus 170, which is equal to 1530. Good job. If just do this activity, apply this technique and you will be able to do this one. So here, break the time. Break the clock into 5 pieces so that the sum of the numbers on each piece add up to 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Let's try to do this activity. Go ahead. How you can make the clock into 5 pieces? Like take any 5 pieces. You can avoid any numbers if you want, but the numbers which you took in the pieces should be like any number should get 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So let's check the answer, and the answer is over here. So you got the 8 and you got the 10 and you got the 12 and you got the 14 and you got the 16. So very good job there. If you could do this activity, well done. And here find the synonyms. So language is like an important factor in learning. So here the word is melodious. So melodious, which is the synonym? Option A, sweet. Option B, harmonic. Option C, raucous. And option D, soulful. Which one is the answer? Let's keep that in your mind. Optimistic. Option A, reliable. Option B, righteous. And option C, hopeful. Option D, bright. Which is the answer? And here you have to find the opposite. The word of survive. Option A, non-existent. Option B, cease. Option C, extinct. Option D, suffer. I hope you got the answer. Let's check over here. For the melodious, the answer is harmonic. Optimistic, the answer is hopeful. And the opposite word of survive is cease. Good job there. If you could do this activity, keep practicing such activity at home, okay? With different words. And this is a spatial skill enhancing game. From here, you have only 10 seconds. You have to find the word dog. Your time starts now. It's so easy. Let's go ahead. Be focused. Your time is up. And let's check the answer. And the answer is over here. I hope you did the activity because it is really easy, right? It's just you train your, visual perception and your spatial skills. Well done there. And thank you for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Practice all the activities at your pace and try to, enhance your speed as well. And thank you for being today and see you at the next session. Until then, Teacher Naina is signing off. Bye. If you like the session, please like, comment and share. Thank you everyone.